All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I had to tell you about this deal because it probably won't last very long. I don't know how long this is going on. I want to shout out Jeff, who's in the podcast. I was doing a podcast on the OnePlus 6, and he told me, he said, Jay, yo, you can get the Galaxy S9 as low as like $300 something. I'm like, man, I got to check that out. So even without any kind of trade-ins, you can get it for $560, and you get a free Dexpad, which is hot right now. So you click on the Galaxy S9, you can see AT&T has it for $569. That's a hot deal. And then Verizon, obviously, they kind of matching the unlock. They're pretty much dropping all these at $719. Verizon, you can get a $200 credit available if you start a line or something with them. But the AT&T joint is $150 off right now, and it looks like it's for all the colors. So you can do it $569 straight cost, man. Done. You can add on some add-ons right here, and look at that. You get a free Dexpad, man. That's hot right there. That's a hot. This is nice right here. The new Dexpad is hot. So that's what it is, man. You can go ahead and hook that up. They even have expedited shipping, express shipping for $14. You know what I'm saying? So $569 full cost, and if you can find some promo codes for Samsung, boom, that's even better. And the AT&T Galaxy S9 can probably easily be unlocked because they don't use that same unlock app. So let's go over to eBay real quick and see if we can find AT&T Galaxy S9 unlock. It'd be hot if you can find it for a couple dollars. There you go, $13, man. You know what I'm saying? So let's change this up here. And unlock, remote unlock, factory unlock service. Yeah, man, that's crazy. That's what it is. Check that out. $1. You can get it unlocked, man. Yeah. That's crazy, man. You can get that joint and have it unlocked. This company right here, though, they don't support, and I just randomly clicked on something, so as you can see, they don't support the blacklisted ones. They don't support the prepaid ones, and that's pretty much it, man. They're giving you all of the rules right there. All AT&T Samsung phones are supported except blacklist devices. Boom, that's what it is, man. That's a killer price right there, man. That's a killer price. You can pretty much get this joint for $600 with taxes and everything. For me, it'll be almost $600 with taxes. But they're giving you $249 off because the AT&T sells it for $819. So either way, you know what I'm saying, you're getting it for under $700. So you know, that's a hot deal. Unlock it for $1, you done deal. So I went to, and that free Dexpad alone, man, even if you don't use that, I think that's a hot item right there to have. Because I got the first Dex, and I didn't like it. I got rid of it quickly. But this Dexpad, it's nice because it turns the phone into a mouse pad. So let me go back and check the S9 Plus and see if it's on sale too with AT&T. Oh, look at this. The S9 Plus is $639 through them. That's hot. This is actually the better choice right here, man. This is the better choice right here. $639 for this joint, man. That's crazy. That's crazy hot right there. That's the move right there, folks. That's the move. Make that happen. Get it unlocked for $1. It's your man Jay Will. Quick video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.